Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I was hunting and I want to take this journey with you guys. Come with me. As you see, I'm on the streets. There's another place I checked online and I saw they were selling a place or renting or leasing it. So anyway, if you're new here, my name is Jacqueline. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate you. So let's go along with this and see what I'll buy. If I'll get a nice apartment. This is a nice neighborhood and I hope I'll get a nice apartment. So as you can see, this is the building that I was told they are selling something. So I'm here waiting for the real estate agent. They are trying to give me an appointment. I was on the call with them. So maybe I'll just sit here and relax a little bit as I wait for him because I don't know what time he's gonna come. Yeah, so sometimes they say I'm across the road, but they take forever to come. So maybe what I'll do, I'll go and just be checking a little bit. Let me check the neighborhood because when you're buying a place, you have to check the neighborhood. I wish I had my friend with me to take around with me because this is too much for me. Oh, yeah, it looks clean. The neighborhood looks clean. Yeah, mostly it's like 6 in the evening. It's not many people around here. So, yeah, I have a chance to look around. Not much traffic on the roads. It looks clean. Yeah, and the view is beautiful. So this is the Robbie area, and I'll just take the elevator to go see how the apartment, the rooms looks like. I don't know if they will let me go in because the agent is not here yet. So I got on this Robbie. Let me just check the views from here, from outside. Oh, nice. Yeah, I do want to get the view with the parking lot. You know, sometimes you buy a place and then it's parking lot. I don't want to see that. I just want to see maybe nice buildings or trees, nature, something of the sort. Yeah, this side, the west looks good. Okay, let me go to the east side. It looks good too. Okay, yeah. Oh, okay, that's nice. Yeah, so and it's spacious. That's a Monday room. It's not like the one I'm getting because mine has to be this one. I think it's penthouse. It's penthouse, and then the elevator is right there. So I took the elevator again. I think I'll go down to see if the agent is still there. I don't know if he's still there. I'll go see. Yeah, I'm in the elevator right now, and then I'm just checking. The elevators are spacious, so when I'm moving my things in, it will be no much trouble. And then I'm here. My agent just called me. Yeah, okay, sure. Yeah, he said he's close by. So I think I'll just go again and see if I. Yeah, I hope you'll come because I want to see the place when the weather is still beautiful, when it's not too dark outside. I want to see. I want to see the neighborhood because this is a very beautiful building for sure. Yeah, so I'll just go again to the next one. They have even recreation room, a lot of things. There's a gym. There's a lot of amenities in this building. So I'll just go to the next one and then I'll see what next. Okay, so I just went back to Robbie to check if he is there, and I don't see him here. I don't know. These people sometimes they don't know what they are doing. Okay, I hope you'll be here. Why are they lying? I think they are all liars. These people, jeez. I'm getting frustrated right now. I'm really getting frustrated. I don't like waiting for someone for so long. I've been here for 10 minutes almost. And then no show. It's ridiculous. Okay, anyway. I'm getting really frustrated. Hopefully you'll be here. You know what? I need to, maybe I'll look for another agent. But anyway, the building is really beautiful because I told them I want a very nice place. Okay? So because it's close to everything. It's close to the mall. It's close to everything. the crabs, even though I don't go crabbing. I think he's here. Oh, okay. Yay, he is here now. He said, okay, go to apartment 301. You meet me there. Okay, confirmation. I'll confirm. Yes. Okay, confirm again. Yes. There you go. The door is open. Ta-da! Welcome to my crib. This is the living room. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Wow. I step on top of the chair to see the view outside. Can you see the view outside? The view is beautiful. Oh, let me relax on this couch. And it came fully furnished. I don't have to bring a thing, just my clothes. Wow, the view. Wow. That's beautiful. Oh my goodness, I'm jumping of joy. Nice pictures on the wall. Wow. I need to check other rooms. Wow. Yeah, let me go see what's this in here. Wow, I'm jumping. The bathroom is spacious with the bathtub and the shower. Ooh, the bedroom. Oh my goodness, I love the bed. It's king size. Wow, wow. Maybe I should go there and sleep a little bit. I need to test this bed for sure. Wow. I think I need to get in here. Oh, let me see this bed. Yay! Go in there. Exactly. See? Wow, this feels so good. Even they have a baby bed there. It's as if they knew I had a child. Ooh, Olivia, I'm gonna be so excited. We have a big room. Wow, I love this room. The bed is beautiful. The baby bed is beautiful. But for Olivia, we have to put her in her own room because she's 8 now. She needs her own room. This is a 2-bedroom. So, and it's mine now. I own this place. This is beautiful. Oh, I need to get up and go see other places. Get up. Yeah, let me go and see. Oh, I have to sit on this chair and there's a mirror there. I'm just looking at myself. I feel so, and the flooring, I love it. See the flooring, the mirror, the pictures, everything. It's just beautiful. This is awesome house. Wow, wow. Huh? I love this place. It's so quiet. Oh, the picture on the wall. Wow. This one, it's like, oh my goodness. I'm jumping of joy. Seriously. This is so beautiful. I love it already. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to show it to my Abby and my baby girl. Oh my goodness. Anyway, they know I have good taste. They know that. So I'm not they know. They know I can't buy something for that. Yeah. That's another room. I want to see the kitchen though. The kitchen has to be spacious with a lot of count, but the bedroom was beautiful. And the living room, it's beautiful and all the things are white. I like, ooh, the kitchen, whoa. The fridge is gigantic and they have the iron thing with the stools and everything. Beautiful. I love this. And I think someone is knocking the door, but I'm not opening. No, why are they knocking? Maybe it's Olivia, but they don't know I'm here. Oh, I lock it so fast and I sit on this ice steps too. Now I need a glass of wine. Can someone please give me a glass of wine? Nobody is in the house. I'm by myself. I'm just kidding. Someone is knocking the door. I'm not opening. I have to go. I have to do my house tour. I'm showing my followers the house tour. So this is as you can see, the kitchen. It's an open concept. Yeah, it's beautiful. It's spacious. I like the counters. They are like grayish and whitish in them. And then the fringe is beautiful. It has like the computer thing and the chandelier. Oh my goodness. I'm jumping on top of the counter like Paris Hilton. Wow, I love it. I think I have to make pizza here for the open house today. I make pizza. Right now I'm in the sink doing some dishes that you can see. There's a fridge there. There's a pizza cooking. And I love my hair. Another African lady did my hair today because I knew I was going to show my crib. Yeah. I'm jumping of joy. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love this house. Oh, jeez. This is beautiful. I love this house. I can't wait to show everybody. I'm so excited. My husband is calling, but I'm trying to ignore him because I'm so excited. I don't want him to come until I soak everything in. I have to soak everything in. This is the best choice I've made. Oh my goodness, this is loving. I love it. Oh, these steps to not steps to, they are called I or whatever. Someone is calling. I don't wanna. No, leave me alone. I don't want to answer no phones at this time. Okay, anyway, I know my friends, they were waiting for me outside. I kept them, but I don't want them to come because it has to be a surprise. Yeah, someone is calling me. Oh, okay, let me go see what they want. Oh,